Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the second phase or second wave of feminism. Okay, so the time period is from 1960s to 1980s. Following just after the World War II, the second wave feminism focused on the workplace, sexuality, family and reproductive rights. Okay, so these are the main elements of your second wave of feminism. Second wave feminism focused on the workplace. Okay, you have to remember these: workplace, sexuality, family and reproductive rights. Many women during the second wave were initially part of the black civil rights movement. So at that time basically they were fighting for the rights of the black people. Alright, so they were part of the black civil rights movement, anti-Vietnam movement, Chicago rights movement, Asian American civil rights movement, gay and lesbian movement and many other groups fighting for equality. So as we know that in the first wave of feminism, these women were basically focused on the liberalism, right, about getting the liberal mindset of the people and all. But during the second wave they were dealing with many other problems like the black civil rights movement and all. So these were the certain movements जिनको लेकर women of second wave were involved with. Okay, then women cared so much about the civil issues that they wanted to strengthen their voices by first fighting for gender equality, right? So women cared so much about the civil issues that they wanted to strengthen their voices by first fighting for gender equality to ensure they would be heard. तो उनको लगा कि if they take part in these general issues, जो social issues है, अगर उसमें part लेंगे then gradually उनकी आवाज़ को सुनी जाएगी. They will get a kind of एक stand मिलेगी उनको society में where the women will also be heard. Then the second wave of feminism begins with Betty Friedan's The Feminine Mystique, which came out in 1963. Okay, The Feminine Mystique is a book by Betty Friedan. Okay, इनका नाम था Betty Friedan. That is widely credited with sparking the beginning of second wave feminism in United States. तो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में बेसिकली बेटी फ्रीडन की जो किताब थी द फेमिनिन मिस्टेक, उसके बाद ही सेकेंड वेव ऑफ फेमिनिज्म आया यूएस में. अच्छा, एक और चीज़, इट वॉज पब्लिश्ड ऑन February 19, ठीक है, February 19, 1963. सो दिस वॉज द ईयर एंड W. नॉर्टन ने इसको पब्लिश किया था. W. नॉर्टन. Alright. The Feminine Mystique sold 3 million copies in 3 years. So एक ऐसी किताब थी जो बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ी गई and 3 million copies 3 सालों में बिकी. Okay, so it was a hit. The Feminine Mystique rails against the problem that has no name. So एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जिसका कोई नाम ही नहीं है, इसके बारे में लिखा. The systematic sexism that taught women that their place was in the home. एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जिसमें बोला गया है that women की जो असली जगह है वो घर पे ही है, उसके ऊपर ये किताब लिखी गई है. Okay, and that if they were unhappy as housewives, it was only because they were broken and perverse. Okay, perverse means unreasonable, illogical. तो अगर being a housewife they are not happy, अगर उनकी marital life happy नहीं है, then it's their problem, यानी उन्हीं की गलती है, क्योंकि they are not logical enough, संभालना नहीं आता उनको. That is why they are having a broken and they are having a bad marital life. Anyway, the Feminine Mystique was revolutionary in its reach. It made its way into the hands of housewives who gave it to their friends, who passed it along through a whole change of well-educated middle-class white women with beautiful homes and families, and it gave them permission to be angry. अब ये किताब ऑब्वियसली 3 मिलियन लोगों ने पढ़ी, तो जितने भी हाउस वाइफ्स हैं उन्होंने भी पढ़ी, एंड उनको तब समझ में आया दैट हमारी तो लाइफ ऐसी है. ओके, अगर कुछ भी गलती होता है देन वी आर ब्लेम फॉर इट, वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अ बैड मैरिज. ओके, तो ये सब वो रियलाइज़ करने लगी. दे स्टार्टेड सर्कुलेटिंग द बुक्स, यानी कि एक्सचेंज करने लगी ये किताबें अपने दोस्तों के साथ, बाकी वुमेन के साथ, वेल सेटल्ड वुमेन के साथ भी उन्होंने शेयर की, राइट. जो जिनके बड़े बड़े घर है, हु हैव मनी एंड बिग हाउसेस, उनको भी ये किताबें मिली. दे ऑल्सो रियलाइज या इवन दे आर लीड सेम लाइफ, राइट. So every woman got angry, and once those 3 million readers realized that they were angry, feminism once again had cultural momentum behind it. It had a unifying goal too, not just political equality, which the first wavers had fought for, but social equality. Okay, first wave mein to they were fighting for the voting rights, so it was political in nature. But in second wave, now they are fighting for something else, and it has a social element attached to it. Now they want position in society. All right, so it has a social element in it, unlike the first wavers which had political issues attached to it. Okay, the movement won some major legislative and legal victories. So obviously when the movement got its momentum, then certain legislative and legal victories were also accomplished by the second wavers. The Equal Pay Act of 1963, the Equal Pay Act, it theoretically outlawed the gender pay gap. अब ये Equal Pay Act of 1963 जो है ये आया, जिसकी वजह से जेंडर पे गैप में थोड़ा सा फ़र्क आया, ठीक. अ सीरीज़ ऑफ लैंडमार्क सुप्रीम कोर्ट केसेस, ओके, थ्रू द 60s and 70s gave married and unmarried women the right to use birth control. So अब ऑब्वियसली बर्थ कंट्रोल की भी प्रोविज़न इनको मिलने लगी. टाइटल 9 gave women the right to educational equality. Okay, टाइटल 9 के बारे में थोड़ा सा जान लो. टाइटल 9 is a federal civil rights law in the United States of America that was passed as part of the Education Amendments of 1972. It prohibits sex-based discrimination in any school or other education program that receives federal money. So in any school, discrimination should not be done on the basis of sex, ठीक है. तो एजुकेशनल इक्वालिटी मिल गई वुमेन को, फीमेल को. एंड इन 1973 रो वी वेड guaranteed women reproductive freedom. Roe v. Wade was a landmark decision of the US Supreme Court, in which the court ruled that the Constitution of the United States protects the pregnant woman's liberty to choose to have an abortion without excessive government restriction. Alright, तो ये जो प्रोविज़न दिया गया by the Supreme Court of United States, उसके according women got the liberty to choose to have abortion. Okay, so now they have the right whether they want to abort the child or keep it. Alright, without any excessive government प्रेशर और रेस्ट्रिक्शन, यानी कि कोई गवर्नमेंट रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होगा उनके ऊपर. दे विल बी फ्री टू चूज़ वेदर दे वांट टू अबॉर्ट द चाइल्ड और कीप इट. द सेकेंड वेव वर्कड ऑन गेटिंग वुमेन द राइट टू होल्ड credit cards under their own names and to apply for mortgages. It worked to outlaw the marital rape, to raise awareness about the domestic violence and build shelters for women fleeing domestic violence. Okay, ये सारे उनको कुछ अचीवमेंट्स मिली सेकेंड वेव गर्ल्स को. In 1968, women gathered together to protest the Miss America pageant and its demeaning patriarchal treatment of women. So obviously मिस अमेरिका पेजेंट जो होता है उसमें these women actually objected. They said that women are symbolized as an object, so women are above all these things. तो इसके against the women protested in 1968. But the revolution lost its momentum as these protesters were taken as angry and man-hating, lonely women, and it continues to haunt the way we talk about feminism today. लेकिन ये जो मोमेंटम था सेकेंड वेवर्स का ये टूट गया बिकॉज दे स्टार्टेड ऑब्जेक्टिंग अगेंस्ट ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. सो पीपल थॉट दैट दीज वर द वुमेन जो अपनी लाइफ में हैप्पी नहीं है एंड दे आर प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट ईच एंड एवरी थिंग एंड दे आर मैन हेटर्स. तो टिल डेट ऐसा होता है दैट वेन एवर वी टॉक अबाउट फेमिनिज्म लोगों के दिमाग यही चीज़ आती है दैट फेमिनिज्म इज़ ऑल अबाउट हेटिंग द मैन, okay, hating the male gender, but it's not like that. It has many elements that lost its gravity or momentum at one point of time, but for some or the other reason it has a value attached to it. So feminism is more than just hating men. It's all about giving rights to the women. Alright, so this was all about your second wave of feminism. So in my next video I'll talk about the third wave of feminism. You must know about these waves because you might get a question or two on feminism, and this section comes under your criticism. Okay, so I think this would be helpful to you all, and have a good day. Please like my video and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.